let's get straight into the video.
By the way guys, please like and subscribe क्योंकि हम ये रात के 10 बजे बना रहे हैं.
Okay, so let's start with some ghost stories. It ain't a spooky season, guys, but who cares? We will still do ghost stories. Okay. Reddit. They are Reddit stories. So, one is, what are the creepiest urban legends from your area? So,
Khasi is the creepiest one.
the slap ghost. You get it? The first story is of the slap ghost. Okay, so it's like in a village close by, there is the story that in a specific road through the woods, several guys were being slapped when they passed in a bicycle in the late 70s. This story is from late 70s. Okay, always at night, one of these guys was my grandfather. Okay, so it's a story about someone's grandfather. He was alone and was slapped and fell off his bicycle.
It's kind of a slap in the face.
No one was there.
मुझे डर लग रहा है.
We have to do it.
मम्मी.
There's no going back. Now we get into it. Several people came home full of bruises and scratches. I'm sorry, I cannot even speak properly.
ये खांसी का घोस्ट है.
But I will read it for you. Okay. So,
देखो guys,
वहाँ पे
like
कोई
and
नहीं था. Several people came home full of bruises and scratches from the bicycle fall after the slap in the face. तो भाई वो उनको थप्पड़ मार देता वो घोस्ट, और वो लोग घर कैसे पहुँचते एकदम ब्रूजेस में एंड स्क्रैचेस में कवर्ड एकदम. सडनली द स्लैप स्टॉप्ड फॉर अ फ्यू ईयर्स. ओके, हो भाई, तो कुछ सालों तक के लिए तो स्लैप्स रुक चुकी थी. एंड इन द रात को क्यों आती है?
चुप हो जा प्लीज.
एक्चुअली द होल डे आई एम फाइन एंड ये खांसियाँ मुझे सिर्फ रात को चालू होती है.
यार ये वीडियो नहीं बनाते हैं, डर लग रहा है.
चुप रह तू. तो वो कुछ सालों तक तो घोस्ट गायब हो गया. एंड इन द 80s द घोस्ट केम बैक. 80s में वो वापस आ गया.
I'd come back.
One young guy was slapped in the face in same place. Funny is that the mystery was solved in that day. उस दिन वो मिस्ट्री सॉल्व हुई जिस दिन उस गाय को. ओ शिट, वेट,
गई स्टोरी.
नो ये रहा. हाँ, so
मेरे को लगा वो चाहता नहीं
it was
है.
a branch from a tree. Are you kidding me? The old guys from the 70s came home late from the old bar, completely drunk, including my grandfather, and without any source of light, they would get hit by the branch and fall. Then the tree was trimmed and the slaps stopped.
अरे बाबा.
Okay, until it grew again and made this 80s guys the next victim.
1 hour later.
Lucky him, he was sober and realized what hit him. So, what did we knew from this? That ghosts don't exist, bro. Like, they were all thinking it is some tree ghost, but they all were just drunk guys. What did you even expect from drunk guys? They will make stories out of a tree branch.
मतलब उनको पेड़ भी इतने हेमटे मारता था.
Yeah, that's
पर पता है
bizarre.
सच में बहुत ज़्यादा फनी चीज़ है, क्योंकि ना अपन अंधविश्वासी चीज़ें पे अपन यकीन करते, बट उनके पीछे साइंटिफिक रीजंस होते हैं और फिर भी डर लगता है.
And it was not even a scientific reason. It was just a
Just some-
normal tree branch slapping them for their bad deeds.
या
Okay.
अगली स्टोरी कितनी वैसे.
I have a lot, but
गाइस जब भी हमको डर लगेगा हम वीडियो को बंद कर देंगे, क्योंकि अपन डरपूक है, मेरे को डर लगता है. सॉरी दीदी.
so the next story is, When I was in high school, we were goofing around in a small park full of trees near the cemetery late at night. And we made up a story to scare ourselves about the tree man who would jump out from behind trees and grab you. Ooh, that sounds interesting. We all had torches and were trying to keep all the trees lit so the tree man couldn't hide behind any of them. Fully aware we were just made the story up 5 minutes ago. Bro, they are really something. But it was dark and spooky, so we still managed to give each other the willies and laugh about it at the same time. We loosely tied our story to a triple murder that then happened in the 1800s, the monument for which was visible from the park. For extra spookums, so इन्होंने क्या किया, एक्चुअल में इस स्टोरी को इन्होंने टाई कर दिया एक जो मर्डर हुआ था 1800s में उससे, ताकि इनको थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्पूकीनेस मिले.
Creative people.
They are creative. So every now and again for the rest of the year, someone would jump out from behind a tree or grab someone and yell, "Tree man!" It was just one of those stupid in jokes teens have. And decades before, Slender Man was a thing. It was the early 90s. Imagine my surprise when years later I heard the kids in lower grades telling each other quite seriously about the tree man who haunts this one park near the cemetery. LOL.
मतलब क्या हुआ?
इन लोगों ने, ये कुछ हाई स्कूल फ्रेंड्स का ग्रुप था और ये एक पार्क में जाते थे. इन्होंने खुद को ऐसे जोक जोक में स्टोरी बना ली ट्री मैन की. फिर उन्होंने बाद में चला कि बाद तक भी जो कुछ लोअर ग्रेड्स के स्टूडेंट्स थे वो उसको सीरियसली, मतलब ये पास ऑन हो चुकी थी ये स्टोरी ट्री मैन की जो हॉन्ट करता है पार्क को. सो किसी की बनाई हुई फन स्टोरीज एक रियल स्टोरी में बन गई जो पास ऑन होती रही ग्रेड्स टू ग्रेड्स. एंड
So ये जो
स्टूडेंट्स आर लाइक
urban legend, more like urban rumors.
या एवरीथिंग इज अ रूमर.
अखवा मेरा तो स्लीपिंग टाइम हो गया.
But we are enjoying it. I'm enjoying the stories. Are you?
Yep.
Next is Joey the Clown. We had one called Joey the Clown. Nearby is a disused Victorian railway which has been transformed into a 20-ish mile path for people to walk, jog, cycle, etc. and links different parts of the city just as the rail line would have. Before that, it was just disused and didn't have tarmac or anything, just mud, grass, and there was no gates in the side doors of the tunnels. The tunnels are really dark in there and we used to hang around in there when we were kids. Okay, तो यहाँ पे एक विक्टोरियन रेलवे की बात हो रही है बेसिकली, जिसकी टनल्स बहुत डार्क थी और ये लोग वहाँ पे खेला करते थे जब बच्चे थे. We became aware of the urban legend of Joey the Clown, who was a lunatic who ran away from the circus, kidnapped a baby, and hanged it by its feet upside down from one of the pipes above the tunnel right into the path of an oncoming
डर नहीं लग रहा है बोलते हुए.
locomotive which he also jumped in
Guys,
front
she's
of.
also a lunatic. सही में?
मुझे सच में डर नहीं लग रहा. I'm just like brave like that. Continuing the story. Rumors still persist that people have seen Joey's ghost in the tunnels, and if you were brave enough to go in the tunnel at night, you would hear him laugh, hear a baby cry, and the sound of the locomotive. Mind you, he jumped himself in front of the train, I guess.
बहन चुप हो जा, बस हो गया.
My mother uses this to
बस,
her
बस.
advantage. When I was a kid though, by telling my
मैं washroom
sisters
कैसे जाऊंगी
and
रात
I
को?
that Joey the Clown preys upon children who wear odd socks and who refuses to wear clean underwear. So of course we would all be wearing matching socks and make sure we had pristine underwear on when we ventured down
सुनाने
to
के
the
बाद
old
सुना.
railway. Bro, it's basically just a story made up by some kid's mother so that
बट
वो
फिर भी वो जो वाली जो
paired
स्पेसिफिक
socks पहने.
पार्ट था ना कि बोलते हैंग द बेबी, that was very creepy.
That
But
was
it
creepy,
can be
honestly.
true, you know, people are crazy in
People are
that way,
crazy,
not just
yeah.
like ghostly way. Because humans are more scary than ghosts.
Oh, yes.
This is why I
Humans
got
are
scared.
way more scary than ghosts. I think that's it for today. Or do we cover some more? Some more?
टाइम क्या हो गया?
Okay, I have another one, but it can be more creepy.
नहीं बहन, मैं सहन नहीं कर पाऊंगी, वीडियो को खत्म कर दे.
But the video is about creepy ghost stories. अभी तक जो अपन ने
अगर
देखी
लोग
थी सब
कमेंट्स में डिसाइड
rumors.
करके बताएंगे अपने को, अगर वो चाहेंगे तो अपन बना देंगे, नहीं तो नहीं बनाएंगे, क्योंकि अभी नहीं, कभी दिन में बनाएंगे. यार दीदी यार मेरे को
So it's kind of like, let me tell you what it is about. It's about kind of asylum which was near someone's house in 70s.
फिर क्या हुआ? छोड़ गाइस.
Let's end it here.
या गाइस प्लीज डू टेल अस इन द कमेंट्स कि आपको ये क्रीपी स्टोरी सुननी है कि नहीं सुननी. बाय बाय गाइस.
Okay. Thank you for watching. This was it. Bye. Love you.